A football tournament was successfully organized on Sunday at the Barakathal Tamakari School ground to honor the legacy of the late Manu Kumar Debbarma, a revered local educator. The tournament was officially inaugurated by TTAADC CEM Runiel Debbarma, Minister Brishaketu Debbarma and MDC Rabindra Debbarma. The sporting event drew a massive crowd from across the region, celebrating both sportsmanship and community development. A major highlight of the day was an entertaining, high-energy, friendly match played between the Simla constituency politician team and the government employees team. Minister Brishaketu Debbarma actively took to the field, strapping on his boots to represent the Simla politicians team. Displaying impressive teamwork and coordination, the politicians team clinical performance secured them a decisive 2-0 victory over the employee squad. Throughout the day, speakers and attendees paid rich tributes to the late Manu Kumar Debbarma. MDC Rabindra Debbarma fondly highlighted his immense lifelong contributions towards the social and educational upliftment of the communities through his dedicated teaching profession.
Chini 21st June, 21 June, Chini Sodor Uttor, Inyakaba Simna Alakani Bishingo Klajak, Tamakari High School ni Ringno Klawo. Chini Boramanang, Manu Kumar Debbarma, Bo Khorang Ring Prengai, Bo Hasung Yakarmani Baluka, Bo No Angjenuk Mani, Bini Langmawa ni Jivonang Nukabo, Kuf, Bonga Khorang educationist, Kuf Sikabit, Jekuno, Lakapora, Basrai Rogno, Jekuno Metaro, Belaike Uchaho, Manebo Katungriu. Bono mutu naragayna chung tini chini taku okra Manu Kumar ni no mutu naragay bini memory boje o singsara jokhon tongpro je o elaka o ba o elakani siklarno a jorani srai rogno je borok khlaina ni bagai lekhapora khlaina bagai kheladola khlaina ni bagai eni chmane jotto jagani ono boje asukkai bo krung bo ebong borok belai kena kaham kono walai suglai krei ke bai kono ko krei bono mutu nargino tini oro kaisa nor nukhana jaga oro bini mukumono tuina ekta memory oro tournament khaijaka Manu Kumar Debbarma ni ebong sing oro puilan sing khela naikha je oro employee versus oro TMP simnani other Tripura mothani je leaders lead by Chini Minister Brishaketu Debbarma এবং বতিনি বেলাখেন নাইথকাই থংকা ব হেট্রিক খাইকা বন পুইলা গোল বরনাই গামা হাইख्लायनाय जे अर कायसा जे ग्रुप गोबांमा ग्रुप न अर थंफायनाय ताबु गताय कायसा ग्रुप हापायुका एमआरएस ग्रुप वर्सेस थिनां बंनि ग्रुप बंनि ममखाय एकदम अरिजिनल थंनाय रक बरखाय सबसम थंनाय रक अ खेलानो नायना बागै गोबांमा नर दर्शक नुखाना अमायखाय बुसखांगबो ताइबो गोबांमा खेला नायने बगी फाइनाय रक फाइ दंगो फाइनाय एबं तेबो बदल काहाम काहाम और थंफायनाय ताबुक फानो जरा रेजिस्टार खायाखो आं कयनाय फाइदि चिनि अ दाखतनो ब थै थांलां माने यागुलो फानो बिनि सामुं तांलां माने मुकुमुनो तेब नारगा बगी नरक गोबांमा चिनि बदल रक क्लाब रक बा जरा आमतिके जरा फुटबल टिनो मान खायनाय रक नरक फायन होनना आसाखै.
Following the conclusion of the tournament matches, MDC Rabindra Debbarma presided over the presentation ceremony, handing over the prestigious winning trophies to the champions amid loud cheers from the spectators. Reported by Boyer from Tamakari, Chini, Khorang.